How's it going, everyone? We have a ticker Intel Corp that is down drastically on this earnings here. It's down 26% for a big cap stock. We don't see that much. I'm going to give you guys, I've been doing a lot of penny stocks. So, now that the market's pulling back, bigger cap stocks are presenting a buy area. So we're going to go over this. Go over Intel Corp, what has it done in the past, what the strategy says, and all that. And like I say, guys, I see this all the time. And this was just like DXCM. If you look at the past, big down move it had, look what it had, and it's just recovering like a beast. This is called the dead cat bounce. That I didn't expect all of this, but I expect Intel Corp to have something similar, dead cat bounce, then a move down. So if you ever look at your ATRs, this is the ATR 4. We're well below the ATR 4. We're looking more at a 5, or even, and then it got to a 6. But if you get to a 6 ATR, that is extremely oversold. And a lot of the times, this was a 6, this is a 5, 4's up in here, and you see the levels that we present. 5 and 6 are usually your dead cat bounces. When you recover, then we can look at normal charting. So if we look at the 4, this is where it is. I suspect price to, kind of jump up there. And it's already kind of done that. You see this long lower wick here. It's kind of forming a bullish candle to try to get that dead cat bounce. The K is at a 7.42, which is actually pretty freaking low. And, like I said, big cap stock down 26%. It was down much lower when it hit $20. And I suspect, easily a recovery up here. The good and the bad, we do have some time distance from the EMA 20. As you can see, we haven't touched the EMA 20 all the way back in July 23rd. That's this candle here, and it physically is touching it. And if you guys know anything about the EMAs, price has to touch it. Price will touch it. It's a guarantee. Anything that don't touch it, in a 2-month span for EMA 20 is extremely long and rare. So we should expect a bounce to the EMA 5 right up in here. Don't expect it very short. I expect maybe next week, like Thursday of next week, give it a couple days to consolidate, let this thing come down some, and then we'll meet up to it. And that's usually how it works. Intel in the past, what happens is, we have these big drops down, you have these big whips, comes back up, and then comes to consolidate at this ATR 4, and then it comes back up here, and as we said, it has to hit the EMA 20. Right in here was 402. Right in here was 516. Price jumps up to hit that. Bigger cap stocks are going to respect this price action a lot. And just like when buying puts, we look for here, what is, we're extremely overextended here. We look to short it to the EMA 5, 10, and 20. And same thing, right in here, we had these little waves. What this strategy is doing is playing trend reversals. We're not trying to buy it when everyone else wants it, like way up in here, and then it plummets down, and everyone says the market's rigged and all that. We're only buying at specific price points. I would not buy it right here because it's not really fitting my strategy. If it was at an ATR 6 like DXCM, as you can see, this was way down here, perfect dead cat bounce candidate. I think Intel can definitely get a dead cat bounce, but it's already trying to come out from that lows there. That was really at the ATR 6 was when it started bouncing. As you can see, when it hits that area, we start seeing a move up. So, the reason why I want to give this some time distance, because I don't really see a clear trend channel. I want to make sure I can develop a shorter term. We can look at the highs and the lows, and we can kind of see right in here, we're respecting these highs here at the upper. We're respecting the lows here, and we broke through this, but it feels like it wants to come back into this channel and really recover it. That's what it feels like it's wanting to do. But if it don't, it could make a new low, and then I'll have to re-improvise what kind of channel we're in now. But that's the one we're in here, the longer term channel, as you can see. But if it breaks and stays under, then I'll have to make a new channel, probably from the recent highs and lows, and see what we can get right in there, guys. But this is Intel Corp. So let's keep this one on the watch. I'll keep it on watch next week. Let's get a couple daily candles, some time distance from the EMA 5, and we can look to shoot up to that 5 and the 10 and the 20. The 10 and the 20 has some time distance already, which is nice. So expect 1 month time frame is usually when this correlates and tries to touch it. So yeah, this is a bigger cap stock for all the investors. This might not be a bad area if you look at the support. We broke all-time support at 23. Is there anything else that we can use for support? Let's look at the weekly channel. If you guys would just want to look at just really support levels. We have a big support level way back here in 8/28 of 2015. Way here at $19.73. You could say, you know what, that is a very big accumulation area, because when price went up, it dumped, and then when it back to retest it, it went pumped up from there. So I don't think it will be hard to break that. I think it would retest it and have a little pump. We tried to get close, and that's what happened, guys. So that is Intel Corp. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and see my actual trades and win over 95% of my trades, you're more than welcome to join. It's a system that works. You can see how my charts work, and how why does price respect these patterns and go to the MAs, and why does price hit over here. This would be your dead cat bounce candidate, because they're well below the ATR of 4, so we look for that dead cat, and then just for it to go back down, kind of like how a DXCM was played here, well below, and then we had this dead cat bounce to the EMA 5, and we would look for a rejection right in that area, and that's what I think Intel Corp can do. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, join the premium Discord. I promise you guys will be a profitable trader. I'll get you guys there, and I think anyone can do it. Click the link down below in the description or the YouTube comments. I'll pin it. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. You can read the testimonies. Lots of people are happy. Lots of people win. How to subscribe if you're on your Android. You will have to use a computer or your phone's browser instead of the app. Just head on over to Server Shop on the top left, right in here, and you'll see the two services I offer are Swing Trading Plus and Day and Swing Trading Plus. The Day and Swing Trading Plus will make you massive money, guys. More alerts, not that much money, and these alerts are insane. I can show you guys the journal. Everybody that knows, these are real results that I alert my entries and exits. $12 a month if you subscribe on computer. You will avoid the iOS fee, and you'll unlock all these channels. And you can see the high win ratios on this. The day trading has not lost in over 6-7 months. It's been very consistent wins, gaining and gaining and gaining. Day trades are insane. These are my money-making trades. Like, if you want money, this is the service to get in. No matter what your account size is, I promise you're going to get gains 19, 10, 20, 16, 16, 16, 10, 25, 17, 17. Those are massive percentages, and that's all within a couple of days of time frame. So I hope you guys do decide to join. It is a really nice service. You can see exact education, swing trading education, a lot of videos to keep you guys updated. And like I said, it's a process that works. Full transparency, trading stocks just like this. We would never buy it up in this region here. We always look to buy it where we're near the ATR 4s, time distance, draw your trend channel, what does it look like, and all that, and get precise entries, guys. There's a reason why it has a high win ratio, because we're patient compared to other traders. A lot of traders are probably just buying the heck out of it and not really having no idea what's going on with Intel. We're trying to be patient and wait for that setup we have. So thank you so much for guys for watching. Join the Discord. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments, and I look forward to reading those your opinions. Peace out, guys, and happy trading.